What's the meaning of constructor? Constructor. Constructor.
Constructor. Constructor. In programming, a constructor is a special method that is used for creating and initializing an object of a class. It is often used to set initial values for the object's properties and allocate memory for the object. When an object is created, the constructor is called automatically and the object is initialized according to the instructions provided in the constructor. Constructors are an important part of object-oriented programming because they allow complex objects to be created and initialized in a structured and controlled way.